Number 8, now ang bola, diretso, tumira, 2-4. Number 15, naman po ang number 11. Number 11, kaya akong bola. Bigay yung number 5. Number 5. Number 5 ulit. Bigay yung number 11. 10 seconds sa kanya. Number 8, kaya akong bola. Bigay yung number 9.
Ayusin mo muna yan. Ayusin mo muna.
Kita ka.
Binuksan ko yung box.
Huwag na. Marshal.
Wala talaga eh. Ako na lang. Ako.
Second shot, red jumper. Loba, number 99. Red Dennis Rodney, pumasa. To number 11. Number 11 to number 29 again. Number 23. Red Dennis Rodney, Nadigo. Team foul, second team foul. Ilang foul sa number 20? Second personal foul, second team foul. Number 20. Number 12, binawabang bola. Number 2, number 23, Benji Pumege. With Des Rodney, pinapay number pader. Pinapay number pader na kaibigan. Number 8, deep 3, no good. Number 11, slashing number 11, no good. Kumato, Tanban, no good. Number 5, with the right kick. Number 11, pinalik sa kalaban.
Sap na ba? Pwede.
Substitution, right?
Tinanong ko lang.
Ay, wala pa.
Technical na. Boss, may lobo.
Number 23, no good. And again, number 20 again, 2 points. Number 23. Number 11, Pinasa, kay number 25. 25, by 3, no good. Number 8, Dueto, pinasa number 12. Binili ka number 8, Kulaksa, with the right-handed. 2 points by number 8. Wait na, Deadboy. Number 11, Kulaksa, 5. Number 12. Man. Number 26 Kulaksa. Backward.
Hindi, kakarting.
Number 20 to number 14. Number 14 to number 8. Number 8 for 3 points. With number 8. number 20, to number 18, for 3. No good, rebound by number 8. Number 8 to number 12, number 12 to 18, goes over with a pull-up jumper. No good, rebound by number 8. Number 8, pinawamang bola. Number 8, pinatay number 18 to number 8 again. What a brother connection by number 8 and number 18. Number 12. No good. Number 30, the rebound. Number 30, pinatay number 18, number 8, 2 balls by number 18. Number 18 again, so number 23. Number 23, to number 12, so pass by number 30. What, number 8, tumira ng dress. No good, rebound by number 30. Number 30, to number 18, pumigil. No good, rebound by number 8. Number 8. Nasundutan si number 8, to number 30, umitbet. Number 30, the boy, LeBron James. Number 12, pumalaksak, pinasay number 23, no good, number 30, to 18, to 20, what a transition, nakalimutan, to number 8, nawalat na, number 8, to number 12, 2 points by number 12. Saan? Yes. Number 18, pumigil, tumira. No good rebound by number 30, boom, foul. Substitution. In out. Warning for penalty. Number 30, rebound, Pumwesa. 2 points by number 30. Warning for penalty na po ang Monday. Number 11 to number 23. Number 23 to number 8. Number 8, pumama. Pinatiran, no good. Rebound by number 30. Number 30 to 18. Ay! Napunay, number 23. Nakalaman. Number 23, pinamatay ni number 18. Number 23, pinasay number 18. So number 10. Huwag hirap yun. Number 18, nasunod ulit number 23. Number 10 again. Back to back. Para sa'yo. Number 28. Number 28. Pass to number 18. 18, more 3. No good. Rebounding, number 11, pinatawag. Number 23. Number 23. Umigil. Oh. Pass. Number 8. Time out. Kingsman. Kingsman, wala na po kayong time out. Kingsman.
One day ba?
In favor of 1 day. First shot. No good. Second shot, ready jumpers. No good pa rin. Number 8, number 18. Number 18, number 18, number 18, number 18. Tumira pa. Number 10. Number 10 pa. Penalty na po ang 1 day. Let's go, penalty. Number 18. Last shot. Ready, jumper. Second shot, good. Number 18. Number 18. To number 8. Number 8, dapat na yan, number 5. Ang tindi ng depensa. Utan! Number 2 points. Number 8, pinatay number 89. 99. number 8.
Kanino kaya?
Kanino ka lang? Okay, number 99. Pinatay number 30. Number 30 ba? Warning for penalty na po ang Kingsman. Number 18. Number 18 to 11. 3 for 3. 4. By number 11. Number 30. Sumubok. No good. Rebound by. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. 18. Number 18. Number 18. Sulaksak. Nawala bola. Nawali. Dennis Rodney. Oy. Wow. Substitution. Penalty tayo, ref.
Sabi mo,
Warning for graduation. Number 10. 10.
Second free throw. Second shot pala, second shot. Pagka-shoot.
Number 99, second shot, second jumper, basket. Substitution, in out, in out. Number 18, number 18 to number 8 again, number 99, number 8, number 8 to number 10, look. Anong tawag rin? Foul to, foul number 5, penalty. Penalty! Penalty! First shot, Nako. Second shot, ready, the upper. Second shot, no good. Number 11. Number 11. Ginawa bola. Number 11. Sumalak sa bigla. With the right hand. Two ball by number 11. Number 10. Number 10. Ginawa pa bola. On the sideline ay 1 minute and 54 seconds. Sumalak sa. No good. Ginawa by number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Ginawa pa bola. Ginawa ang bola. Ay kapanggaan. Number Kicking the ball. Kicking. Number 18 to number 30. Number 30. Number 30. Number 99. 99. No good. Number 18.
sila kayo time out? Ano pa meron pa?
2 points by number 9. Para sa atin ay 1 minute and 30 seconds. 11. 11 nasuntukan ni number 18. Number 18 nabukas sa bukas. 2 points by number 18. Number 11. Number 11. Dribbling the ball again. Ginawa ba mula? Ginawa ba mula? Number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Rebound. So number 99. 99. 99. What's happening to yours? Number 11. So number 18. Number 18 to number 8. Number 8 to number 9. Number 9. Black. Number 8. Black. Number 8. Number 8. No good. Rebound by number 5. Number 5 to 18. 18 to number 9. Number 8. Penalty. Score natin 47-2 in favor of 1 day. Second shot, basket. Number 11. Binigay kay number 8. Number 8, pinakabang bola. To number 11. Number 11. Number 11. Oras sa atin ay 43 seconds. Court 3, number 11. No good. Rebound by Noti. Oras sa atin ay 36 seconds. Hatid sa inyo ng puto ang merienda kasama bako. Number 11, number 11, who is the sunset? Who is the basket? Number 11, 2 points. Hatid sa inyo ng robot ang bigas. Number 11, number 9, 9, knockout, rebound 5, number 5, 99 to number 30, number 30, hatid sa inyo ng 20. Kalma nyo ang puto. Last 7 seconds. Hatid sa inyo ng number 9. So 18. Pinasa yung number 10. Number 10. Lumba. Nice game.